In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix TikTok age restriction issue. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app, then navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on the three bars given at the top right. Now, head over to the option Settings and Privacy. Navigate to the option Content Preferences. Click on the option Restricted Mode. If it is enabled, you will need to disable it. This will help remove content limitations and give you full access to TikTok features. If that does not fix the issue, you can also check your account information and make sure your age is set correctly. For that, head back, click on the option Account, now Account Information, then click on the option Date of Birth, and from here you might be able to change your date of birth. If you're unable to edit it, you can head back. Now scroll down and head over to the option Help Center. Click on the option Chat with Us. Now click on Need More Help. Here in the message box, type in want to update date of birth and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for TikTok age restriction. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.